So now let's see how we can utilize embed blocks inside of wordpress.com. So over here, if you want to go ahead and embed out certain things like YouTube videos or any other content, then you can utilize something called the embed block. So for that, let me just click on the block inserter, and as I scroll down around over here, you can see that I have some embed blocks right here. So you can find different ranges of embed blocks, like you can embed Twitter, YouTube, you can embed Flickr, and so forth. So let's say you want to embed a YouTube. I'm just going to go around onto YouTube, and over here I have this video URL of my channel, so I can simply paste it in, and if I were to embed it, you can see the video embedded right here. So if I were to go around over here and just use a general embed block right here, and then type in, let's say, my YouTube video right here, then it detects that it's a YouTube video and turns it into a YouTube embed block right here, just like this as well. And same goes for the other type of embed blocks right here as well. For example, you can embed SoundCloud, Flickr, or Spotify right here. There's Cloud Up and so forth, and all of the embed option is given right here, just like this. There's Pinterest embed right here, as you can see. There's Tumblr embed, Instagram embed, and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the embed blocks inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.